Eric with Wolfman here to show you how to mount a B-Base on a big bike. So basically, just gets set on the passenger seat or passenger section of the seat. This is the rear strap, and on this BMW it just tucks under the rear rack right so. I kind of center it here, and I'm going to just snug it up like that, and that tells let it know where I want it to sit fore and aft. On a different motorcycle, you'll put it under the tail light potentially, or under the rear rack again. The front strap's fairly simple. Go through the, as I cross over, go through the passenger peg or passenger peg bracket. We cut our webbing very long, so we have a lot of extra if you need it. Through the metal cam buckle and tighten down. Now on this one I like to bring it in so it actually starts to hug the bike. So I attached it here. I'll do the same on the other side. Tighten it. I'm going to snug them both down. And I have a technique now. Is I kind of grab the web and I use a push and a pull. It really helps give me a lot of pressure on there. So as you can see, the B-Base is mounted nice and snug on the motorcycle. Check us out online at wolfmanluggage.com, Rocky Mountain ATV MC, and Amazon.